Hello, welcome to this lesson on number bases. Please take a second to subscribe to Lenific social media channels so that you can be the first to get notifications when new videos are uploaded. Before we talk about number bases, we need to know what is a number system. A number system is a way of writing down numbers. The number system we are most familiar with is the base 10 number system, often called the decimal number system. Probably because we have 10 fingers as human beings. The digits we use in the base 10 number system ranges from 0 to 9, and we realize that all numbers can be created with a combination of digits between 0 to 9. When looking at numbers in base 10, it is important to note that every number in base 10 has a place value. The place value is represented by a digit in the number on the basis of its position in that number. Let's think of a number 2678. What are the place values in this number? 8 has a place value of units, 7 has a place value of tens, 6 has a place value of hundreds, 2 has a place value of thousands. A key point you should know is that the exponent or powers increases from right to left for whole numbers. To expand these numbers in base 10, you have to multiply a digit by its place value, then add it to the next digit multiplied by its place value, and so on. So you say 2 multiplied by 10 to the power of 3 plus 6 multiplied by 10 raised to the power of 2. I guess you can do the rest for now. Yes, you can. Then you solve further. 10 to the power of 3 is 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, which gives 1000. When working with exponents, any number raised to the power of 0 gives you 1. This is a very important law of exponents you need to know. Now, 2 multiplied by 1000 gives you 2000. Now you can do the rest. When you add these numbers together, you get 2678. Congratulations, you have made it to the end of the first lesson on number bases. Here is a useful decimal place value chart for you. Please study it because we will talk about it in subsequent lessons. See you soon.